Your credit can have far-reaching effects. It can impact your ability to get a loan, qualify for the best possible rates, and affect how much you pay for insurance, utilities, and more. But to rebuild your credit, you have to know where to begin. Start by checking your credit report online. You are entitled to one free report per year from each of the 3 major credit bureau agencies that you should check for late payments, possible errors, and other negative entries. If you find errors on your report, dispute them with your lender immediately. If you're currently late or past due on one of your accounts, make the payment as quickly as possible. After you've addressed all existing credit report concerns, do your best to keep your report clean moving forward with 3 proven credit-building steps. 1. Pay your bills on time. According to FICO, payment history accounts for a whopping 35% of your credit score, so always pay at least the minimum amount due before every payment due date. To make sure you don't ever miss a payment, consider signing up for automatic payments. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Pay down high balances and keep your overall used credit to available credit ratio low over an extended period of time. 3. Get a credit card. Using a credit card responsibly is one of the fastest ways to rebuild credit. If you don't qualify for a credit card, consider applying for a secured card. Secured credit cards require an upfront deposit, usually in the same amount as your credit limit, but otherwise act just like any other credit card.